Do you know you can trace attackers' IP as soon as they touch your server or website? Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Let's get started. Open the terminal. First, let's create a folder to keep all our files organized. mkdir honeypot dash demo ls to check. Here is our directory. Move inside this folder with cd command. This way everything we do will be contained in one workplace. Cd honeypot. Type nano honeypot.py to open text editor. This file will act as fake web server and log the IP addresses of anyone who tries to connect. Here is honeypot code. It is simple HTTP server built with Python. The line attacker IP equals to self client address is the key. It captures the IP addresses of whoever connects. The response attackers see is a warning page saying their activity is logged. Control O, enter, Control X. Time to execute with Python 3 honeypot.py. The code is in the description. honeypot.py, hit enter. The server start on port 8080 waiting for someone to connect. Trap is active waiting for connections. Open the browser for demo purpose and in address bar type http:// IP address of your Kali machine :8080. Hit enter. Perfect. Here is the warning message with source IP. Now let's get back to the terminal. Entry shows the exact IP address and the path that was accessed. Open browser, refresh the browser to get some more logs. Fine. Check the terminal, the log increased. Now this is the easiest way for defenders to catch the attackers in real life. As you can see, every time someone connects, the details are not only shown on the terminal but also saved in the log file inside the project folder we created. This is very simple but powerful because it gives us permanent record of every attack. Security teams use these logs to trace back the bad actors, analyze their behavior, and even predict future attacks. This is how you can create your own customized honeypot with your own rules to keep the machine safe. Any questions related to this are always welcome, and thanks for watching.